1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Go, go, go. Pew pew. Clear. Pew pew. Pew.
It's hard to notice, but pay attention to the back part of the glass around the outside. You're going to see some red reflections come up right about now. That does happen every time that there is a bright enough light source behind you and you're in a fairly dark environment. It's only when you have the reticle at too high of a brightness for the environment that you're in that you're going to get this, the red ring around it. But once you get below that threshold, it goes away.
look at it. So I did. He takes it out of the case, and I'm looking at it.
What?
I cycled the
Okay.
live round in the
Your
chamber.
name and
So
the
what's wrong?
caliber.
He run with that gun in my trunk for 3 days. So what the fuck?
Which target?
What's up, guys?
I love red dots that have reticles like this because no matter how close or far away you have it to your eye, the reticle will always remain the same size. So there we have it really far away, like if you had it on a scout rifle, or really far up on your pick rail on top of an AR. And now we have it basically as close as you can get before hitting yourself in the face with it. Here I rock the scope side to side to show there is no magnification to the glass. It is just basically straight glass. It's great. There is a slight tint to it, but it's not that obtrusive.
The Holosun 515. After having this for a couple of weeks, it's really apparent to me that this thing is really good. What would I change about it? Only the kill flash. I would remove it because it is visible. I do see it and it bothers me, but it is there, which is a nice feature to have if you really needed it. But if not, you unscrew it and it comes right out. Honestly, other than that, there aren't many bad things about it. Or, well, actually, there's nothing bad about it. It's all just slightly pet peeves of mine, and the kill flash is one of them. Instead, let me talk about all the things I really like about it. Quick release mount, lens covers, solar panel, easy to access buttons, a riser for 1 and 3 co-witness, excellent turrets, clear glass, and of course, last but not least, the reticle. The reticle on this is, well, it's almost perfect, at least for me. The 2 MOA dot is nice and crisp. It's small, so it gives you a very accurate shot. And the 65 MOA circle is excellent. When you get on the gun real fast, you notice it right away. It helps you focus on everything, and you're good to go. This thing is fantastic. And all I can say is, again, thank you, Geoff, for letting me borrow this. I kind of don't want to give it back, but unfortunately I have to. But I'm going to try to look for one of these and probably mount it on my PC9. I think it would be a really good combo. It also does have an auto brightness mode, but I never really used it because I don't particularly care for them, but it does work okay. That's about it. This thing performed really well. The only thing like I said, I would change would probably be the kill flash, but it's a simple removal. Just spin it out. Caps are great. It's great. I love it. You should buy one. Put it on a gun and go shoot it. Thank you very much for watching.